Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I tend to look at the long game. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about how the landscape of long-term wealth planning is shifting. For decades, the standard playbook for serious private clients was simple. Buy a mix of blue-chip stocks, hold some traditional bonds, and let it sit. But let's be honest, the global market is evolving, and traditional avenues just don't offer the same resilience they used to. To build and preserve wealth across generations, we have to look toward alternative investment strategies. That search is what eventually led me to explore Prime Lake Capital, a modern wealth management firm. They are trying to bridge the gap between institutional-grade asset access and personalized private wealth management. Today, I want to share my personal experience with their platform, focusing on how they integrate alternative assets into long-term wealth and pension planning. For a long time, alternative investment strategies like private equity, real estate, and specialized debt were largely the playground of massive institutional endowments. But for serious private clients today, these are fundamental tools for risk-managed strategies. When I looked at my own long-term financial growth, I realized that public stock markets are increasingly volatile. If your entire nest egg is tied to the daily swings of standard equity indexes, your retirement income plans can easily get derailed by a sudden market correction. Prime Lake Capital's focus on alternative asset access becomes a real differentiator. Because these assets do not move in perfect sync with public stock markets, they act as a natural buffer. By blending alternative allocations with traditional portfolio management, the goal is a more resilient foundation that can withstand varied economic cycles. One area where this approach truly shines is in pension planning. Traditional retirement accounts are incredibly rigid, often restricting you to a handful of generic mutual funds. Prime Lake Capital treats retirement solutions as dynamic, long-term wealth creation strategies rather than a fixed endpoint. Through their personalized advisory, they work with high-net-worth clients to design tailored retirement income pathways. By utilizing advanced technology-powered portfolio management, they can simulate how adding alternatives impacts your risk profile over decades. You get institutional-grade technology to model scenarios, backed by the human expertise of a dedicated advisor. It is about building steady, deliberate growth, so you have a reliable, diversified income stream, not solely dependent on public markets. Ultimately, my journey into Prime Lake Capital's philosophy left me with a strong impression of modern private wealth management. It moves away from the transactional, quick-trade mindset of retail platforms and behaves like a true institutional partner. They recognize for serious private clients the primary goal is capital preservation and steady long-term growth. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join our growing community. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next upload.